Hi, today we're gonna see how to give your cockatiel a little shower, your parrot in general. Cockatiel are very clean animals. They take care of their feeders every day. They brim them with the beak. Is it good, that fishbone boy? Some cockatiels have a bath on their own if you give them a basin of water. My cockatiel doesn't, but it needs a shower as well. They should take a shower more or less once a week, more in the summer. Of course, the water you use should be warm, not cold, and you should close all the windows and doors of the room to prevent him from catching a cold. They're delicate animals, so keep him warm after the shower. Hi, baby. Hello. Good morning, Nielsen. To give him a shower, I'm using a spray, a clean spray. Buy a new one just used for that purpose, because there should be only water, not soap, not any products remaining in the spray. Just clean water, clean warm water. Many cockatiels are afraid of the spray, so you have to teach him the spray is a game you play together, and it's something fun, you shouldn't fear. To get Nielsen used to the spray, I showed him my spray several times, and I sprayed myself. I sprayed my hands in front of him to show him that stuff didn't hurt, and I moved the spray from one side of the cage to the other side to make him follow it and make him curious about this mysterious object. Now I'm waiting he finishes his lunch before giving him the shower. I hope he feels too, because if your parrot doesn't feel like having a shower when you spray him, he will just go back. While if he enjoys the shower, he will spread his wings to let you spray him better. Always spray gently from below to upside, and only if you see he enjoys it. The shower should be a fun moment, not a moment of fear, of course. So make sure your parrot is having fun when you spray him. Once they stop fearing the spray, they usually enjoy it, because they like water, they like washing themselves, so there should be no problem. How long is this lunch, baby? Bath time. Are you finished? Hello, you ready? What? What's here? It's a fearsome spray. Oh, you're stretching. Hello. Why don't you come up so we don't spray your food? Huh? Hello, what's here? Hi. Hi, baby spray. You haven't finished yet? Oh no, I can't believe it. Come up, baby. Come up. Oh, you were hungry. Hmm? Oh, water. Wow. Wow. What's here? I love it. Yeah. Yeah, it's your baby spray. Hi. Wow. Oh, more water, please, more water. Oh. Step back. Step back. I'm gonna spray. Step back. Step back, baby. Here you go. Here you go, baby. Whoa. Why don't you step a little back? I don't want to spray you so close. Is it okay? Are we having a shower? You come up. You come up. Good boy. You come up. You come up. Here you come. Like it? Yes, you like it. Yes. My baby. Oh, good. Oh, yeah. Of course you like it. Want to spread the wings? Hmm? More? Alright, alright. Want some more? Alright. Open the wings. Now as you've seen, he was enjoying it because it didn't move. It just stood there taking the spray with his head down. But he didn't open his rings. He didn't open his rings to let him spray better. So I stopped because I supposed he didn't want to have a full shower. And I'm trying it back tomorrow. You always need to respect what he wants or he doesn't want to do. He wasn't against the shower, but neither was he fully okay with it, so I stopped. If you want to see how a parrot reacts when he really wants a full shower, I'm featuring here another video. Always of Nelson really enjoying his shower 100%. Always be careful and fulfill his wish, fulfill what he wants or doesn't want to do. And if he doesn't want to take a shower today, give him a shower tomorrow. Back to your fishbone. Okay, baby. Bye. See you in the next video.